Making money is not a difficult task in this age of information technology. If you have the skills, you can use these skills to earn money from both online and offline from home. But today, we are going to discuss some of the best through which you can earn $5,000 per month. Earning $5,000 is a very complicated thing, but if you have a definite plan to earn money, then it will be much easier for you. Based on today's discussion, we are going to show you some of the best ways through which you can earn $5,000 per month. Through various social media, you may have noticed that different types of ads have been shown about the easy way to earn thousands of dollars per month. After watching all these ads, you may wish that you can easily earn $5,000 per month. Here are some tips to help you succeed in a short time. However, we think that it has become much easier to make money online than offline. So most of the things we're going to discuss here are online-centric. Open a multi-niche website. We can now choose blogging as our main source of income. So you can create an international best website through which you can earn thousands of dollars per month. When creating a website, keep in mind that you will have to pay special attention to what you will work with niche. In order to earn thousands of dollars per month, you must create a website on any international subject. This means that when you create a website, you can create a website through different types of keyword research, focusing on different countries, such as all the countries in Europe. Best money earning app. You can regularly publish high CPC articles on your website. This will allow you to earn a lot of money with one click when visitors come to your website from these European countries. This way, you can earn $5,000 per month by creating your own website. Create YouTube channel based on international video. YouTube, the most popular video sharing platform in the world, can earn thousands of dollars per month. To make money from a website, you must invest there, you must buy domain hosting. But you do not have to spend money to make money from YouTube. If you have the slightest knowledge of video editing and you can create content on a variety of topics, it is possible to earn $5,000 per month from your YouTube channel based on that. But after opening a YouTube channel, you have to keep in mind that the content you are creating must be in great demand in the international marketplace. Earn $500 per day from home. Those of you who want to earn money from YouTube channel, especially those who want to work abroad, can create a YouTube channel about cooking, technology, etc. We think you can be a good YouTuber in no time. Work as a virtual advisor. Different multinational companies usually look for skilled people in their recruitment. These companies will hire you as their staff if you have skills in web design, developing graphic design, etc. This will allow you to work from home as an employee of one of those companies. The company will pay you more than $5,000 per month. But to work as a virtual advisor, you must be a skilled freelancer. We think that based on the above discussion, you have learned about the easy ways to earn $5,000 per month. You must be successful if you try to follow our instructions. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.